Hello, my name is Barbara and I live in South Dakota. Recently, my 2-year-old son threw my passport external hard drive and it broke. I was so upset thinking that I had lost all of the pictures and videos that I had taken of my 4 kids. But it wasn't until I did a Google search and found PITS Global, and they have been amazing. PITS Global was able to walk me through the process, and I sent in my external hard drive and they were able to retrieve all of my data. I even had a private session to make sure that all of my pictures and videos had been retrieved before I paid them, which I thought was a really great way to give me the confidence in their services. Thank you so much, PITS Global. I will be forever grateful for you.